Here is double thumbing or drop thumbing. So your regular bum diddy pattern is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and drop thumbing is going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So what I do is I play the first string with either my index or my middle finger, whichever one you typically use to play the melody. And then first string, the thumb drops to the second string. I play first string again, and then the thumb returns to the fifth string. So you get, with the string numbers, it's 1, 2, 1, 5. And they're all the same length of time. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So usually when I actually play this pattern, I play a regular bum diddy, drop thumb, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So this part is called drop thumbing, and once you get really comfortable with playing drop thumb to the second string, you can learn to drop the thumb to other strings. So for instance, I could play 1, 3, 1, 5. So in that passage, my index played first string, my thumb played the third string, index again, and then the fifth string with my thumb. So 1, 3, 1, 5. And when you feel very comfortable with that, you can even drop your thumb to the fourth string. So it sounds like this. And I usually alternate these with regular frailing. So let's start by practicing dropping the thumb with the second string. 1, 2, 3, play. Okay, now we'll try dropping the thumb to the third string. 1, 2, 3, play. And then let's try dropping the thumb to the fourth string. So there's lots of things you can do with the drop thumb pattern. I like to play chords with my left hand and use drop thumb. So you can make a C chord and then practice that dropping your thumb to the second string. So like this. Or maybe D7 chord. Whatever chord you like with your left hand. And eventually you can learn to use this technique in melody playing.